WhatsApp, the world's most used messaging platform, faces an ongoing challenge against spam and unsolicited messages. The company aims to counter it. With that in mind, the WhatsApp app gets a new highly targeted anti-spam feature, most monthly limiting on messages sent to unknown contacts without receiving a reply. The goal is simple: if you can't get people to enjoy, you'll not be able to spam them indefinitely. The core mechanism is simple but effective. When an individual sends a message to a user who does not have them saved as a contact, the unanswered messages count against a monthly allowance. The only way to reset this counter or clean your state is by getting the recipient to respond. Once up confirmed, the average user likely won't hit this limit. The system is used to target who blast message and spam large unengaged list. WhatsApp has not yet disclosed the entire cap. The company is still testing different thresholds across various countries. However, senders approaching the limit will get a warning pop-up. This will give a chance to adjust their strategy before being blocked from messaging strangers entirely. This has a huge implication for commercial activities. Businesses that rely on low response cold outreach for recruitment or sales will need to fundamentally redesign their strategies. For brand using the WhatsApp business platform, success will now hinge on the conversion rate. They must focus on sending explicit and timely user content and design messages that provide immediate value to encourage a rapid response. For the user, the changes promises less cluttered and noisier inbox. The intent is to significantly reduce unwanted pings and follow up from unknown numbers.